Looking for comfort food with a refined twist?
Pampano, favorite.
Welcome to Patio Restaurant at Ardenhills Suites, where heritage Filipino flavors meet modern dining in a warm and stylish setting. Patio Restaurant offers a Filipino-Spanish a la carte menu, available daily from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m., with breakfast served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Expect traditional flavors reimagined with a contemporary presentation. Hearty, comforting, and thoughtfully crafted. Our dining experience begins simply and perfectly, with fresh bread and butter. Warm, soft, and inviting. A classic start that sets the tone for what's coming next. First on the table, Sinigang na Pampano. Clean, comforting, and delicately sour, this dish highlights the natural richness of Pampano in a perfectly balanced broth. Next, a Filipino classic, beef Kare-Kare. Slow-cooked beef in a rich, nutty peanut sauce. Deeply flavorful and best enjoyed with a hint of bagoong. For something bold, try the Cajun Milkfish. Crispy on the outside, tender inside, and packed with smoky, spicy flavor. To balance the richness, we have the Ensalada de Patio, fresh, vibrant, and refreshing. A light dish that cleanses the palate beautifully. Then comes the crowd favorite, crispy pork. Perfectly crunchy on the outside, juicy inside, and irresistibly satisfying. Next on the table, pakbet, a classic vegetable medley rich in Filipino flavor. And Sinigang pork belly, hearty, sour, and deeply comforting. No Filipino meal is complete without Pancit Guisado, savory, hearty, and full of flavor. A timeless Filipino noodle dish meant for sharing. And when you think it's over, dessert makes its grand entrance. Indulgent mango cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, dark chocolate cake, and the classic Black Forest chocolate cake, each rich, creamy, and absolutely decadent. Pair it all with a freshly brewed cup of coffee. The perfect ending to a truly satisfying meal. At Patio Restaurant, Ardenhills Suites, every dish tells a story of tradition, comfort, and thoughtful flavors. Come hungry. Leave happy.